In this video I want to show you a technique to make your Python code over 100 times faster. I've come across this solution and I think it's pretty neat. Therefore I want to show you this trick. Let's say you have an array of an audio track or some sensor data. They're usually pretty long because of their high recording frequency. To reduce the noise, a common method is a moving average filter, but all over the internet the algorithm is like this. First, get the number of slices by dividing the array length by the window size. Create an empty list, iterate over the number of slices, and for each step get the actual size and calculate the mean of it. Append it to the list and return it as an array. That's amazingly slow. We will reduce it by the factor of over 100. The code is not only going to be simpler but also quite faster. First, reshape the array to -1 and window size. Make sure that the length of the array is divisible by the window size. You will get a two-dimensional array with a width of the specified window's length. Now the only thing to do is to calculate the mean of the dimension index 1. Here you go. Now you got the mean or average of that specified window. Blazingly fast. As a bonus, if you want to specify a hop length, just write brackets, colon, colon and the window size.